Hey guys, and today I'm going to be, well, technically tomorrow, I'm going to be reviewing a keyboard that I'm getting, which is coming tomorrow, and it is my first mechanical keyboard because these are both membranes, which that sucks. And this is the keyboard I'm using right now. This big boy takes up all of my desk. I will literally show you. It takes up, because I have a laptop and I use this and I connect it to my monitor and stuff. So, and takes up all of my space. And I'm like an ARM gamer, so I run into it all the time. So I put my position like clockwise. Like look, here's an example. Sorry. You see that? There's no space for it. And I use it like this. So, and there's no space and I just run into it. And, I'll be showing you the keyboard that I'm getting. So, just, wait a second. Sorry, I did not pick my nose. I was just doing this. And I will get back to you when I'm on Amazon and I'm showing you. Okay, this is the keyboard. It's just that I'm on Amazon. My mom bought it on a different website, but this is what she got me. And I got it in blue switches, in all white. So, hot swappable blue switch. Well, this is not technically the keyboard because mine's is optimal, and this is a different brand. It's the Royal K. It's the RK Royal, and I'm getting it. And there's one with a. Let me try to find it real quick. I think this is it. Hold on. If it comes in blue, then yeah. This is it. Hold on. I think it's this. Annie. Nope. I'm trying to find it. I'll get back to you. I'll get back to you when I am done. Found it. So it is this. It is the blue 60% true mechanical gaming keyboard, 20 RBG, chroma black glowing characters, Type C, wired 62 keys, game keyboard, waterproof, full anti-ghosting, and gaming mouse pad for gamers and typists. And this is blue switch. This is blue. Yeah. This is in the blue, but I bought it in the white. It's just that I bought it in white, and I bought it in this color, and this color in blue. So, no, in this color, this is the white version and blue switches. So yeah. No, I'm joking. That's not the one. This is the one. And yeah, I am going to review it tomorrow. Yeah. Bye guys.